Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, so in this video we are going to make some simple tarik tea. But before we continue the video, we will introduce ourselves.
I'm Harun Devo.
And I'm Faisal Nugroho. We are 7th grade student in IDN boarding school. Then, without any further ado, let's move on to the ingredients.
Ingredient is honey, sweet milk, normal water, black tea, hot water, 2 cup, and one spoons.
So, the first step is pour the hot water into the cup. Pour it. Don't too much. After that, dip the tea bag into the hot water. Wait until the color changes. Stir it. When the color changes, add a little honey instead of sugar. Don't too much. After that, press the tea bag, then add a little sweet milk. And when the color has been changed again, add a little more water. You stir again, and the most exciting part is pouring the tarik tea from cup to the cup, like this. After you see a bubble, add a whisk it for the ingredient. Then, tarik tea is ready to drink. Maybe that's all from us. Sorry for our mistake. The last we say, Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.